Hello everyone, welcome back to another easy DIY. So today what we have is a low battery and an Audi remote. This remote is specifically for a 2018 Audi Q5, but I'm sure they all share similar remotes. So I'm going to show you how to change the battery for this particular remote. And what we want to do is we have a button here, it's black, and a button here that's black. We're going to press down on these buttons and remove the key. It's that simple. And these keys are pretty nice. They're made out of metal. Got a good feel to it. Nice and heavy. As one would expect, I guess, from a luxury brand. So, what we're left with is, where's the battery? So what we're going to do is press the same buttons as from before on the sides. You can see there. And there. And you have this little piece right here. You could get something to pull on it, or you could just push straight out as you push down with the buttons. So push and then out, and this thing will come out like so. So you want to be careful because you don't want to break these little plastic pieces. And there's your battery. And the battery you will need to replace is a CR 2032 3-volt. And that's pretty much it. You get the new battery, put it back how you found it, push down again, boom, that easy. Put the key back in, ready to go. And that's how you replace the battery on one of these Audi remotes. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this was helpful to you.